3 things we learned from this video that can help you make $200 per day, and even 6 years old can do this.
And you needed a symbol of the company, and I guess somebody came up with this whoosh.
That's
so
right.
You paid $35 for that?
Yeah, it was a graphic arts student at Portland State who needed money.
Okay.
And we said we'll pay you $2 an hour to...
Lesson number 1. A company can have a cheap logo that's designed for $2 per hour, but still can become a billion-dollar company. Keep watching. Lesson 3 will be passive income. Okay, lesson number 2.
Practice, to get some designs, and she spent 17 and a half hours on that.
Wow, okay, well.
17 hours of practice made this simple-looking logo. Haha, but keep watching.
So, $35, that's pretty good. Okay. So,
it did have a happy ending, I hope.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that
you gave her some stock.
When we went public, we gave her 500 shares of stock, and she has not sold a single share, and it's over $1 million now.
Now, this 17 hours of work helped the designer get 500 Nike shares, which is worth over $1 million. Now, for step number 3, instead of trying to learn how to make a logo, work and get paid $2 per hour, Google Nike affiliate program. Go to this page, click this apply now button, and become a Nike affiliate. They will pay you 11% commission for sales. So for $1,000 sales, you will earn $110 commission. And in order to make $200 per day, you need to make $2,000 worth of sales. In my opinion, that's way too low. And that's why we don't promote Nike. We promote high-ticket affiliate programs that pay out 50% commission using automated funnel. And in our case, our program is 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.